In the heart of the Philippines, there exists a beacon of hope and love for children who have been rescued from the darkest corners of child sex trafficking. At Regeneration, we are dedicated to providing a safe home for these brave young souls. Our mission is to provide child survivors with safety, healing, empowerment, equipping, and education. We are committed to see every survivor have a place to call home and find a nurturing environment that fosters healing, growth, and a brighter future. In years past, there were many children being rescued, but services for boys were little to none. There were countless stories of rescued boys who were immediately separated from their siblings and placed in facilities that were not a safe place for them. In 2021, we finished building the first home specifically for boys who were rescued from child sex trafficking. We provide them with a loving family environment, access to education, counseling, spiritual growth, and other opportunities to develop their skills and reach their dreams. In most cases of child sex trafficking, the facilitator will exploit all of the children they have access to. We realized that many of the boys in our care, once rescued, were separated from their siblings who were also exploited. We could see the negative impact this had on the healing of the children and decided to start a girls' home down the street. This will bring reunification with their siblings and avoid further trauma by experiencing healing together. In 2023, we built a girls' home for this very purpose, and now we are able to provide services to girls as well.
Masaya ako, naging parte ako ng Regeneration dahil yung mga bata ay may madilim na past na naging masaya ako dahil naging parte rin ako ng kanilang pagbabagong buhay at nagkaroon sila ng bagong pag-asa. Nakapag-aral din sila at nagkaroon sila ng pamilya sa pamamagitan ng Regeneration. At nagkaroon din sila ng pagkakataon na maging bata muli.
It's incredible to see when the kids first arrive at the home. A lot of them are scared, and then when you start seeing the healing process start, they grow in their confidence and they realize that they don't have to be afraid anymore.
Ako po si Christian na 16 years old po. Share ko lang po yung mga gandang bagay na nangyari dito sa bahay na talagang nabago po talaga. Na parang yung mga attention na hinahanap ko sa labas, pati sa pamilya ko, parang dito ko po nahanap. Yung pinaka-pinagpapasalamat ko talaga yung mas naging malapit pa ako kay Lord. Tapos yung parang kahit hindi kami magkakadugo o parang kung saan kami nanggaling kami, pero dito parang hindi mo ma-feel na iba ka. Na parte ka talaga. Na parang hindi ka naman nila itatakwil o wala silang sasabihin sa'yo na hindi maganda about sa past mo. Parang nakafocus lang sila sa mga mangyayari. Kasi maraming bagay na kala ko na hanggang doon na lang. Maraming bagay na kala ko na ayun na talaga ako. Pero nakakagulat. Kasi pag talaga, kapag meron kang Lord sa buhay mo na parang mararamdaman mo talaga yung pagbabago. Mararamdaman mo talaga yung pagkilos mo.
We cannot do this alone, and we need your support. Join us in this crucial mission to end child sex trafficking and provide these children with a chance to have a new life, healing, and the love they deserve. To learn more about Regeneration and how you can help, visit our website, regenerationinternationalinc.com. Together, we can change lives and make an eternal impact.